We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 369, part 1. This is Tri Brigade versus Invoke Shaddoll. Here we go. Round 1. Dude. Thank you. Who did I get there? Fractal. Dump kit. Oh, and then he ashed me. Fractal dump Karis. Or Fractal dump Karis. Karis dump Thoroughblade. Banish 2 for Bearbrum. And for Rugal, Bearbrum effect, add the Revolt and put whatever that card was. Oh, it's okay. Duster. Well, I had the Revolt there. Lucky I went for Rugal. What did that guy get in the grave? Oh yeah, the Chirag effect. El Shaddoll Fusion. Apollon for Hedgehog and Genius. Never saw that card before. And I tried linking it with Rugal. But Chirag's was already negated. What? Thought it was gonna negate or banish. It's for Gravity Controller and Apollon. Add Shaddoll and discard. He added Nail Shaddoll and then discarded Nail Shaddoll Ariel. Banished those 3. Alistair, Invocation, linked for Artemis, Invocation. He did those 2, Apollon and for Aguides. Aguides. What? Target and destroy on summon. Omen. It's gonna add Karis. Invocation, recycle. It's gonna battle. It's gonna attack. And he misclicked. He said he misclicked, so he didn't activate Invocation and phase I get back. The Fractal. Karis dump Fractal special. Karis 4 for Chirag. Banish Gravity Controller. Access code. I thought it was yeah, I should have did this guy then, but I don't know, that was kind of a misclick on my part. Not bad actually. Access code effect is gonna gain 3000 because he's a link 3, and then Rugal's effect gonna lose 300 for each monster type I control. That just lost 600. access code, banish the Earth attribute link monster to destroy that card. Thoroughblade, Forbow, and it was already over here. Shirag, finish him. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. 269, part 2. Round 2. Duel. What happened? Oh, Fractal. Good draws, Kid, Nerval. Didn't get interrupted. Normal summon Nerval. Banish those two for Ferrojeet. Ferrojeet, special summon Fractal. Properly link summoned Bearbrum. Ferrojeet draw and put back. Fractal. 2 for Ferrojeet. I didn't want to go for Rugal, so I did another Ferrojeet. Then I went for a 3 material Apollosa, Bearbrum. I already had the Revolt, so I put back the other Revolt. Set, keeping the Barrage this time. Cosmic Cyclone pays 1,000, but that was not the Revolt. Solemn Strike, banished. Terraforming. If he was going to Mystic Mine, I would have activated Revolt, but it was Meltdown. Activates the Meltdown. As Alistair. Sets the monster. He's gonna end his turn. He's gonna Revolt. He's gonna try to negate it with Ghost Spell, but it's a monster. I can negate it with Apollosa. Minus 800 attack. Get the 4. I was able to do Bearbrum because it was properly special summoned. Out comes Shirag. And then all those other guys affect. Get the Revolt from Bearbrum. And then I put that to the bottom of the deck. Banished the Alistair. And I didn't set nothing. It was over from here. Karis, dump Kit, dump Nerval, add Karis. I say Karis? It's Fractal, right? Karis. I looked, he only had 1 monster there. So I went for Resvilger, Doom Eagle, Desperate Doom Eagle. Oh well, since this guy is a beast, any type of beast, Shirag, and then link that off with the Doom Eagle. What did he do? Oh, he shuffled it into the deck. This card gains 24. If my opponent doesn't have any monsters in his grave, no monsters, gains 24. Banishing the Meltdown with Shirag. And it was over from here. Shirag and then Resvilger. Finish him. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. He does have a deck. This guy here, so it's 369. 369. Okay. Back to gold. I was at 1497, 1517. Let's check the deck. 369 right here. 1 Eldritch. And what was that? Where was I? 188, 189, went up by 1. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.